Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this platform, which is Electrum, which is one of the more popular cryptocurrency platforms. So to get started with a quick analysis and a little breakdown about this crypto platform. So to get started, Electrum is a fast, lightweight, and highly secured Bitcoin-only wallet designed for users who want full control of their crypto. It supports advanced features like hardware wallet integration, multi-signature account, and custom transaction fee. It's also a open source and it has a lightweight network support, making it a powerful tool for experienced Bitcoin users. That said, Electrum isn't a beginner friendly. The interface feels outdated. It doesn't support any coin beyond Bitcoin, and there is no dedicated customer support, just forum and documentations. So if you are serious about Bitcoin, like you are a full Bitcoin users, Electrum is still one of the best in 2025. But if you are new to crypto or want support for multiple assets, this wallet might not be your benefit. And that's it.